What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to balance this chemical reaction. C7H9 plus HNO3 gives C7H6 NO2 plus H2O. I want to balance it. Nitrite, I have 3 here, so we have 3 nitrogen. We have 1 nitrogen here, so I need to put 3 here. And as you see here, the carbon is balanced, 7 and 7. So what I need to find out, I can check for the oxygen now. Oxygen here in this side, let's start from this side. We have 9, and here we have 2 times 3, 6. So if I put 3 here, it's going to be balanced because we have 3 times 3, 9 oxygen. And here we have 3 times 2, 6 plus 3, 9. What about hydrogen? We have 9 plus 3, 12. Here we have 6, and here we have 6 again. So 6 plus 6, 12. So carbon is balanced, 7 and 7. Nitrogen is balanced, 3 and 3. Oxygen is balanced, 9 and 6 plus 3. And hydrogen is balanced as well, 9 plus 3 and 6 plus 6. So that's the balanced chemical reaction. I hope you like this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I will get back to you as soon as I can.